bun ba ki perlog jengi mentah kila shifting bahaya ka jeng mi jong kane ya ka jeng mi jong kane hapo ka Google Pay but don ro giba ki balak sengu artaten ya ka Gpay mo don ro ki balak sengu artaten but ki balak sengu long sengu shifting mo ya ka jeng mi jong kane ka pocket money mo ndre nomor balai kalong kumta nomor ba ki don ki breu ki ba ong ba kane ka pocket money kemud bakan keta ladang ikum klik ya kane ka pocket money kemud ba kan keta ya ka pisah jungi ke badai napok bank lane ka pisah jungi ke banapok bank kan lut barok ladang ikum klik ya unu pocket money bolong kum usan dot note mo hapok ka Gpay ka jungi te don ru ki ba ong ba la sengu shifting nomor le se lada kum bakla kemud ba ka pisah jungi barok napok bank kan jak no barok mo kan lut no te bun bahagi perlu jungi giba sengu shifting bahaya kata nomor bali bagi don giba ong ba kalong kumta rena kaliang gajing le research ke jonga kata kamdei mo andre ngan sabatai phi ka kane ka pocket money bat bali ba Gpay ka update ya kane ka pocket money lane kane ka new update jungka Gpay dengan batai phi step by step bat ngan batai ke kane atau kadon kano no gajing mal ni kum ter bat ru kum no pin penon kam ya kane ngan sapat iru deh phi ya ka video mo kenang ba pin smutu syai bat be pin long confident kanya kane ka ya kane ka pocket money ma te aleng ngan ya batai shwa ya ka baning kong bat kat kum gajing le research ke jonga mo ngan pile ka parang nang tangan ngan sa batai ru phi ka Khasi mo badru ngan sabu ya ka ya kini notes ki bangal adep notes mo ngan bu hapo kani ka screen kenang ba phiru pin yo ban pule kenang ba pin long kan kham tip kham benya mo let's say lada kam sai ka jing batai ka jungang mod ba pin lo ya kani ka notes ka bangan sabu hang ne hapo ka screen te aleng ya let bet ki don reuteli ki question ki ba ngangan batai nangam ta jong kade ka pocket money ma tangan ya yaj becha ka question ka maning kong ka kane ka pocket money ma what is pocket money on UPI circle pocket money on UPI circle as you can access your friend and family to make UPI payments with pocket money on UPI circle on Google Pay. This payment method does not require them to have their own bank account. Take kane ka pocket money hapo UPI circle ke jong phi. Komot kalong kumni kan kane ka UPI circle kane ka pocket money hapo ka UPI circle komot ba kalong ba phila ban ya rap ya ki parlok lane ki bahayang hasem jong phi ban le ya ka UPI payment. Leng ba da kane ka pocket money hapo ka Gpay ke jong phi phila ban use akane ka pocket money komot ba kila ban use UPI payment claim da don kam ya ka bank account ke jongki claim don kam ya ka bank account ke jongki re kila ban use hapo jong kane ka UPI circle ke jongpi kila ban use hapo pat kin long kumki secondary users tongan saya pai ka be kham chakmat khanang ba pin sngutu khamba ka jingli ka bami nalor nang ta kalau kane ka pocket money ka terekam hapo ka UPI circle ka jong ka Gpay ka jong phi. How pocket money on UPI circle works? As an existing UPI users on Google Pay, you are a primary users and you can add family members, friends or employees. They become a secondary users to your UPI circle. Tingi sutu ba UPI users jong phi ubla don lupa hapo ka Gpay jong phi mod ba utu ulak dei primary users ki code primary users utu UPI bla don lupa hapo Gpay jong phi udeu primary users lang dala da pin ad ia ki perlog jong phi ki bahayang hasam jong phi la ne kinung tre jong phi hapo kane ka pocket money kemod ba kin kelalong no ki secondary users kita ki secondary users ki balong hapo jong phi te kajingkli ke bami biang long ba kane ka primary users but kane ka secondary users What is primary users and secondary users? Primary users, person who pays on behalf of secondary users with their bank account. Kini ki primary users kumud ka primary users kumud kalong kum UPI jong phi blak don lupa hapo ka Gpay jong phi. Te phi kum primary users kumud ba ula ban siu ya kapisa nakam ta jong uni secondary users khnang ba uni secondary users unla ban penan kami ta kapisa ka ba phi primary users phila sen daka bang account jong uni primary users mo daka bang account ka jong phi ka ba pin sen pisa ha uni secondary users khnang ba un penan kami ta kapisa. Secondary users, a person who make UPI payment using the primary users bank account. Uni secondary users pada udai uta ubapenon kami ka UPI payment hendrai pada uhaban le banyat lengba naka bank account jong uni primary users. Temen tangan ya sakawai ka question kalaban kabalaban mi nang ta kalong kumno bapin pendon kam lane bapin set up ya kini ka pocket money hapo ka UPI circle ka jong phi. What you need to set up pocket money on UPI circle? Teka pun kemening kong kolong. To be a primary users, you must have an active bank account on Google Pay. Teka pun bening kong kolong ba? Kum primary users mo uday bandon ya kata ka uday bandon ya ka bank account kabalong aktif hapok ka Google Pay. Kumba pidon kumba ka pilih Gpay kumad ba pidon ya ka bank account balong aktif kumba piniat bat seo pitra barabor yang mana kata ka Gpay taga bank account balong aktif mo kumba pidon menta. Te kapoin ba ar bade you can add a maximum of 5 secondary users. Pila aban add ya hadu santli ki secondary users mo kini ki secondary users pila aban add hang ni hapo pocket money. Nang ta kapon balai kelong ba to add secondary users to your UPI circle, please make sure that their phone number is saved in your contact. They have the Google Pay app registered with their phone number. They have a UPI ID on UPI circle or QR code. Tegmod ba ban ad ya kini ki secondary users hapo ga UPI circle ga jong phi kemod ba kan mau ba phone number jong ki udai banlang ubala save lupa hapo ka mobile phone ga jong phi nang ta kidai ru bandon ya Google Pay app but kidai ban register da uta number phone uba phi phila save po contact jong phi nang ta kidai bandon ru ya UPI ID lane QR code mo UPI circle lane QR code te aden ba pila ada register kumod la ada view kumod ba wala ding buat la pim pat la ban ad bang account kumod ba marba le se pim don bang account kumod ba QR code la de bandon aden bla ada register hapo ka Google Pay ka question ka ba mi biang nang ta kalong ba kumno ba pin la ban peniat ye kini ki secondary users payment. How to manage secondary users payment? As a primary users, you can set transaction limits and payment authorization. Select between full or partial delegation in UPI circle. Tigamod ba kumno peniat ye kini ka secondary users payment. Kum primary users mo kum sibuk kumapi ka Gpay jong phi la da phi ko aban adik ini secondary users hapo ka pocket money muda ko primary users udai ban bu lane bu un set ya kata ka pisa kar kum ka limits ka ba phi ko sibu no ngan kin sa don ki example ki bangan sa batai mo hakmat une primary users nang haban set ya kata ka limit transaction nang tajong secondary users kenang ba une secondary users ula ban pen kami kata pisa ka ba phi primary users phi la de set nakam tajung secondary users kenang bo la ban penan kami kene ke pisa antara select full delegation but ke partial delegation. What is full delegation or partial delegation? Set a monthly limit or full delegation. You can set a monthly limit of up to 15,000 for second users. They can use your bank account to make any payment within the set limit without your approval. te kemud ba kini ka full delegation kemud kalong ba enda pi pila set lane pila bu ya kata kapisa ka bakhatsan hajar sibu long kumba pila at ka wei ka secondary research hapo ka pocket money nei nang ta de piset kanya kena ka limit ka pila bu sibu example nakam ta jung ni u secondary research pila bu khatsan hajar ha ka si banai te kemud ba une u secondary research un penon kam ba ye ka ku pisa claim da don kam ya ka jing bet na phi ba phin haban approve ye une u secondary research ban ule payment andre un penon kam free ya kene bisa hadu kat ba kam patlut kene ka bisa ka ba pi primary users pila ada set kemud ba une u secondary users ula ban use ba kene ka bisa kane ka full delegation kalong ba enda une u primary users ula ada set yang ni bisa nom tajung u secondary users kemud ba une u secondary users ula ban penon kam ya ka bisa andre klem don kam ya ka approval na pi u primary users mo kila ban penon kam free kat ba kam patlut kene ka partial delegation kene ka partial delegation kalong kumne kan approve every payment partial delegation secondary users must send you a request for each payment you must approve to pay on their behalf tikmud ba kene ka partial delegation kalong kumne kan uni u secondary users u haban panjing bet na phi lane u hapa ka request na phi u primary users lada uni secondary users u kwa ban siu lande ban thet jing thet ai lane u kwa ban le UPI payment kemud ba u haban request nang tajung uni u haban request u haban book u haban send ka request cha uni u primary users knang ba uni u secondary users unla ban le payment ken kane ka partial delegation kolong ba uni secondary users u haban send ka request ha uni primary users knang ba uni secondary users unla ban le payment lane unla ban le ya ka UPI payment lada ukwa ban le UPI payment te uni primary users u haban approve ya kata ka jingkwa siu lane ka jingkwa I penon kam UPI jong uni secondary users dengan try pila tu hi katu mo tela da phim sung tu make sure ba pidaiwan pen paule se ngala ban soft la da phi kanduk ni jing ngalong blok loi ban batai la ne ban pen mi beng sakoi pat ke jing batai la da phim pat sung tu size phangane ka jing mi jong ka pocket money hapo ka Google Pay ka nomor ba ka new update jong ka Google Pay dengan ya page ya video lada pisang ortin let say pim nut batang ban klik ya ketuka ka pocket money mo button.
What is this pocket money option in GP? I'm going to explain its use. Upon opening it, you'll see a new option. Clicking on pocket money will allow you to set up pocket money on UPI Circle. This means parents can make their children secondary users on their UPI account. What happens? They don't have a bank account. If they want to use UPI, after this setup, they can make payments anywhere using their parents' UPI. The limit can be set by the parents themselves, and a notification is sent to them after each payment. To set this up, click on Set up Pocket Money on UPI Circle. After clicking you'll need to enter the number. You'll need to provide access to the secondary account, and simply click on that number. After clicking KIA, scan their child's QR code, and the setup will be complete.
Dengan subatai shot kandiat mo kani ka pocket money kemud ba kalong ba kan yarap yaki tu ki bompat don ya ka bank account lada ki ko ban le UPI payment hapo ka bank ka jong pi leng ba ka UPI leng ba kani ka UPI circle ka jong pi tigila ban le payment hendai pede ba pi ki haban use hendai pede ki haban ki mapi bala don Gpay lupa kemud ba pin hab set ka limit lane ben pin hab sen pisa nom tajung ni secondary users mo kumal ada bang te kila kain ban le payment ha kanu ko por la ki kwa ban le ye kene ka la ki kwa ban le ye kene ka UPI payment te kila ban le kan hapo jong pi antai pising thu he ya kata kila ban le UPI payment hapo jong pi te klem da don la pila bu lupa ya ka limit la ne pila sen lupa ka pisa ban pha panon kam be ye ki secondary users kemud ba kim kam ban kim don kam ban ad bank account hapok ka Google Pay ke jongki Henry kin pendon kam bet dakanika leng ba dakanika UPI circle ke jong pi hapok ka secondary users mungkin hapa ka secondary users tengah try pila ban stu i katu te ladap him stu te sa sepan pau